This is I have and this is I have not. कुछ questions मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ.
So you say never have I ever.
No, this is like मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. Have you ever done something?
So I say I have. Or
Yes.
I have
not.
Okay.
Now, the first question for you is okay. Some with some of the music effects. Have you ever secretly checked out someone at the gym? Might be at this is like आपके school time पे, आपके college time पे, when you were not like that. इतना SRK कभी भी.
No, I'm not. I don't look at men or women in gym clothes. I find it very awkward. I'm very shy.
Okay.
So I'm sure. मैं actually public gym में जाता ही नहीं. So and I'm very shy. I would never. And I don't have how to explain this. I don't have that vibe in me to check out boys or girls or see what girl is looking like. मैं जब बहुत छोटा था तो हमारे दिल्ली में ऐसे लड़के खड़े होते थे लड़कियों को चेक आउट करने के लिए saying all time look at the girl. I've never stood like that. I'm awkward.
This is have you ever clicked a gym feed with your bare chest and not shared it on social media from his phone? He has done that.
No, my gym instructor took it yesterday.
Oh wow, Prashant.
Prashant and Rohan. Can you try? Yeah. So now I have.
Okay, have you ever got distracted by what's on TV? Because generally क्या होता है जब जिम में लोग होते हैं ना तो they are like TV देखते अच्छा and it has happened with me. सामने वो TV चल रहा था and I was like something very interesting and करके it happened with me. So might be any sort of distraction that has ever happened with you?
I mean, I'll keep doing it. So I'll say I have, but I have not. I mean, I'm somewhere in the middle. Because KKR is playing, I'm watching the match.
Okay.
So when they're losing, then I have not been distracted. I try to ignore it. But when they're winning, then I have been.
आपने कभी ऐसा किया है कि साइड वाले की मतलब आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर की मशीन में देखा है कि अरे यार तूने तो इतने कैलोरीज बर्न कर लिए लेकिन मैंने नहीं किया है? Might be comparison उनके साथ कभी.
Yeah, nobody can keep up with me. If you compete with me in the gym, I'll kill you. You can't compete with me.
I'm there.
I mean, yeah. If you come cycling with me, or if you tell me I'm going to do 100 abs, I'll do 200. I'm very competitive, so I have not looked at anybody else, but they might have, and they won't be able to keep up with me. Any exercise you tell me. I have not competed, and एक rule है मेरा, compete नहीं करने का. अगर मुंह से no. If you do these noises, please, it's very, very caveman-like.
That was my next question, that you have ever made such type of noise. People are like, we are physical. ऐसा करके.
No, grunting is for hunting, and we come here for workout. Do it nicely, look nice. As a matter of fact, gym में you should look the coolest. ये कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. You should be sweating, you should be sexy, and you should be cool. All this आवाज़ करने में तो मैं जिम में गया था एक दोस्त के. उसने मुझे बुलाया, मैं नाम नहीं बुला. उसने कहा यार जिम करने को आजा भी. तो उसे 4 घंटे तो उन्होंने इतनी आवाज़ निकाली. I thought I was in some, I was in a zoo full of gorillas. And they don't even need it. They make so much noise, and then they throw the weight. Like that and all. No, the weight should be kept nicely.
Alright, अच्छा आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Have you ever like missed your gymming? कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा super lazy उस दिन feel कर रहे हो and you are like on the bed और ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, I have.
Super nice. तो एक बार सबके लिए एक बार flying kisses हो जाए. है सबके प्यार वाली जो पप्पी एकदम से वहाँ पे देते हो. लेकिन मेरा शाहरुख बाय कहने का स्टाइल एक दूसरा है. I know this. You know how to do
No,
this?
you do it. Make the sound.
Okay.
No, don't show that you can do it. Make the sound.
Okay, I'm going to be doing it. 1, 2 and.
So at the count of 3,
Okay.
I'll go over.
Okay. 1, 2 and. So that's the thing जो इन्होंने बनाई और अब ये साथ में भी कर लेते हैं so that actually people can know.
No, that I can also whistle, yeah.
Yeah, all right. So we're going to be doing
I can do
it.
this
1, 2 and.
Some nice place in Europe we'll go, which will be new and as wonderful. So thank you very much everyone on FameBean for logging in and listening to me. And we'll keep meeting each other.